Tomorrow's the last day I could do it because winners are coming in.
Good morning, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Crystal. I'm the court administrator here with the Robstown Municipal Court. We're waiting on Mystery Saucy and we'll be starting court shortly. So if y'all could just keep your phones or devices on mute in the meantime, we'll be starting court shortly.
Okay, good afternoon. My name is Tony Gonzalez. I'm the judge of the Robstown Municipal Court. Today's date is April 9th, 2025. The time is approximately 2:51, and we are on the record. I want to thank you folks for being patient. Our prosecutor was caught up in another court, but he's here now. So if you're here today, that means you're here on the pretrial docket. That means you've already entered in a plea of not guilty. You've requested a trial. And now we're in the pretrial portion of the case. Okay. So you're going to have an opportunity to speak to the prosecutor today if you so choose. If you don't want to speak to the prosecutor, you have the ability to just tell me that you are ready for trial, and we will go ahead and let you go. Okay. So the way this is going to work, when I'm going to call the docket, when I call your name, please unmute your device. Let me know whether you want to speak to the prosecutor or not. If you have any pretrial motions you want heard that were pre-filed, you need to let me know at this time also. If you do not, if you do not want to speak to the prosecutor, and you're just ready for trial, just also please let me know if you've changed your address or any of your contact numbers. Okay. All right. That being said, I'm going to go ahead and call the docket. Court cause number 2502-000098, State of Texas versus Giancarlo Almengor. Giancarlo Almengor. Court cause number 2411-000755, State of Texas versus Rafael Flores Benavides. Rafael Flores Benavides. I believe I see you, Mr. Benavides. It looks like you're on mute.
Unmute. Okay, I think I got it, Your Honor.
Okay.
Can you hear me?
I see you. Let me go ahead and change your name on here.
Yeah, I'm Rafael Benavides.
Mr. Benavides, do you wish to speak to the prosecutor today?
Yes, sir. I was wondering if they could dismiss my case because I've since got my driver's license.
Well, I'm going to give you the opportunity to speak to him, and y'all can discuss those
Okay.
matters. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes,
All
sir.
right.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
All right. He'll be with you shortly. Thank you.
Yeah.
Court cause number 2207-003450, State of Texas versus Claudia Delgado. Claudia Delgado. Court cause number 2503-000058, State of Texas versus Nick Garza. Nick Garza.
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
Mr. Garza, do you wish to speak to the prosecutor today?
Yes, sir, please.
Okay, let me go ahead and put your name on here. All right, Mr. Garza, he'll be with you shortly, okay?
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Court cause number 2411-000337, State of Texas versus Carlo Alfonso Gonzalez. Carlo Alfonso Gonzalez. Mr. Gonzalez.
Yes, sir.
Do you wish to speak to the prosecutor today?
Yes, sir.
Okay, he'll be with you shortly. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Court cause number 2411-000095, State of Texas versus Roberto Gonzalez Jr. Roberto Gonzalez Jr. Court cause number 1204-C013, State of Texas versus Jesus Rios. Jesus Rios.
John Garcia for Mr. Rios, Judge.
All right, Mr. Garcia. Mr. Isasi will be with you shortly, okay?
Thank you, Judge.
Sir. For cause number 2503-000077, State of Texas versus Manuel Reese III.
Trial.
Okay, Mr. Ruiz, you haven't changed your phone numbers or any of your contacts?
Everything's still the same.
All right, Mr. Ruiz, you will see a notice in the mail of your trial.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, sir. And court calls cause number 241-000049, State of Texas versus Roland Warden. Roland Warden. Okay, all right, that concludes the docket. Mr. Garcia, I usually let lawyers go first because I know you have other things to do, but you have a lot of people, so I'm gonna let Mr. Isasi meet with these other individuals. There's three
Okay.
of them, and then he can dedicate the rest of the time to you.
I'll be here, Judge. Thank you
All
so
right,
much.
thank you, sir. All right, first we have Mr. Benavides. We're gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Isasi. Who's he here for?
He's for the first one, I'm not going,
Okay,
the first one, yeah, I told him I was gonna call him when we started court, so.
I don't see
You
him.
don't see him on? I just talked to him, I called him right now.
Yeah, I don't.
He should be logged in.
Yeah, he hasn't
You're
logged,
logged in?
not yet,
Okay.
but I'll look for him. Mr. Isasi, you have an announcement?
Yes, sir, on Mr. Benavides, what we worked out is that in return for his plea of no contest, there'd be a 60-day deferred, $100 fine and court cost of 81.
Okay, Mr. Benavides, you heard Mr. Isasi. Is that your understanding of the agreement? You need to unmute your device.
Can you hear me, Your Honor?
I can. You know what? Go ahead and raise your right hand.
Yes,
You
sir.
swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
I swear to tell the truth. Yes.
Okay, you can put your hand down. So Mr. Benavides, you heard Mr. Isasi recite the agreement of $100 fine, $81 court costs, in return for a plea of guilty, you would be placed on 90 days deferred disposition. Is
I
that your
thought he said
understanding? Is
I
it
thought he
60 or
said
90?
60.
Mr. Isasi, is it 60 or 90 days?
60.
Oh, I'm sorry, 60 days.
Yes, sir.
Is that your understanding, Mr. Benavides?
Yes, sir, it is.
Are you asking the court to approve that agreement?
Yes, sir, I am.
Okay, the court will approve it. Mr. Benavides, you need to make sure that you come by the Robstown Municipal Court by 5 o'clock today or no later 5 o'clock tomorrow. If you are not from the area, you need to call the court, make arrangements for them to email you the documents, okay?
I will be there tomorrow morning, Your Honor.
Okay, as far as $181 that's due, when can you pay that?
I'm gonna need the 60 days, like I let the district attorney know that I'm currently not working, but I could probably swing a couple of side jobs or something
Okay,
within 60 days.
okay, if you find yourself in a situation where you cannot make, if you're not working and you're not able to pay, you are able to request an application that you can fill out. If you qualify after an indigency hearing, there's a number of things I can do, from placing you on, having you do, community service to placing you on an extended payment plan. So if you find yourself in that situation, let the clerks know.
Yes, sir. I'm probably gonna need an extended payment plan, but I'll let them know tomorrow morning when I come in.
Okay, know this, if it's extended, then you're not on deferred anymore, okay?
Oh, shoot. So
So if you
then,
think, if you're gonna need
oh
more
no,
than 60 days, ask for
oh
the
no,
90
I
days.
should be able to get. Yes. Oh, I hate to interrupt you, Your Honor, but yeah, I can get it within 60 days. That
Okay,
shouldn't be a problem. Okay.
all right, sir. Thank you very much. You're
Yes,
excused.
sir. Thank you, Your Honor. Yes, sir. Thank you, Your Honor. Have a great day.
You too.
Bye-bye.
All right, next, I'm gonna put Mr. Nick Garza in a breakout room with Mr. Isasi.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Yes, sir. Mr. Goff,
Yes, sir.
I imagine you want to speak to Mr. Isasi, is that correct?
That's the plan.
Okay, he'll be with you shortly. Thank you.
Thank you.
Mr. Sassi?
Yes, sir. On Mr. Garza's case, Judge, he had a total of 3 cases. He took care of 2 previously, so this was lingering back. But he's managed to get his driver's license. So with that being said, being that he played on the 2 companion cases, I'm gonna prepare dismissal on this case.
Okay, all right, Mr. Garza, Mr. Isasi is gonna submit a motion to dismiss. When I receive it, I'll sign off on it. If you want a copy of it, you can call the court and they'll send you a copy.
I appreciate you, Your Honor.
All right, thank you, sir.
All
Your
right.
excuse.
Thank you, sir.
All right, next I'm gonna put Mr. Carlos Gonzalez in a breakout room.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Sassi?
Yes, sir. On Mr. Gonzalez's case, Judge, I'm gonna ask for a 30-day reset, so I can look at a video. I think there might be a body cam worn to see if there were any statements made on this case.
All right, Mr. Gonzalez, we're gonna reset your case for at least 30 days. You'll receive a notice in the mail of your next pretrial hearing.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you. You
Have a
are
good day.
excused. Thank you. Mr. Garcia, if you don't mind, I'm gonna go ahead and put Mr. Goff. He only has one case. That way we can get him going.
No
Okay?
problem, Judge. Thank you.
Thanks, John. Hey, look at my text messages, John. You haven't responded to me.
Let me find out what's going on. Sorry, sir.
It was about that mutual case we had, so I never got a response to it, but I got
I
mine.
got mine dismissed not too long ago.
Okay, good deal.
Okay. Okay. I'll look.
Talk to you later.
Yes, sir, Mr. Isasi.
Yes, sir. On this case, I'm gonna ask the court maybe for normally I would ask for 30, but in this case, Mr. Goff's gonna be out on vacation within those 30 days, so maybe 60 days or towards the tail end of May, a reset so I can get copies of the accident report and any audio, video in this case, and also forward that to Mr. Goff.
Okay, all right, we'll reset it for 60 days, Mr. Goff. If that conflicts with any vacation time, just get with the court and they'll make accommodations, okay? Thank you, Mr. Goff. You're on mute.
I'm sorry, I was saying that I really like y'all's policy of calling beforehand, even though I messed it up. And I anticipate that we'll have it resolved maybe even before we get to that date.
All right, sounds good, Mr. Goff. Thank you.
Thanks. May I be excused?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
All right, Mr. Garcia, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Isasi.
Thank you, Judge.
Whoever came into the room, can you please give me your name? You're on mute, sir.
Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, my name is Roland Warden.
Okay, Mr. Warden. Let me change your.
I'm sorry if I'm real close to the camera, but I have my glasses on.
No worries. Mr. Warden, you're here on a pretrial, so the prosecutor is present today if you wish to speak to him regarding your case.
Sure.
Okay, he's meeting with a lawyer right now. When here in a minute, I will put you in a breakout room with him, okay?
Okay, no problem.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Mr. Isasi?
Yes, sir. On Mr. Rios' case, we've worked out all his cases, Judge. Some will be dismissals and some will be deferreds on these things.
Okay, so I'm not gonna make you recite them, Mr. Isasi. Prepare the paperwork, get it over to Mr. Garcia, and we'll go from there, okay?
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Garcia.
Maybe excuse, Judge. Thank you
Yes,
so much.
sir.
Thank you, Mr. Isasi, as well. Thank you, Judge. I'll see myself out. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
All right, Mr. Isasi, we have Mr. Rolando Warden. He showed up late on the Zoom. I'm gonna
Okay.
go ahead and put you in a breakout room with him. Epi,
Yes, sir.
you
On,
finished? Okay, let me close them up. Okay, Mr. Isasi, you have an announcement?
yes, sir, on, Mr. Warden's cases, on, let's see, on 24-1-1-0-0-0-509, driving with license suspended. That's gonna be $110 fine and court cost of 81.
Okay,
And then the companion case, the 510 companion case, failure to maintain insurance. It'll be a fine of 265 and court cost of 81.
okay.
And then the other three cases in consideration of his pleas on this one will be dismissals then.
Okay, Mr. Warden, and this is gonna be on deferred, Mr. Isasi?
We can make it a deferred, Judge. I don't want to talk about deferred, but deferred, that way it stays off his record if he successfully completes it. We can make this a 90-day deferred, so we can pay this off. It's a total of 537. So if he can pay that off in 90 days, the case will be dismissed. So
Okay.
I'm gonna write it in here as a deferred.
Okay, Mr. Wharton, please raise
Yes,
your
sir.
right hand.
I'm sorry, what?
Please raise your right hand.
Oh, yeah.
Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you are Rolando Warden?
It's Roland Warden.
Roland, I'm sorry, I saw an O on there. Roland Warden. Mr. Warden, Mr. Isasi has announced that in exchange for a plea of guilty on cause number 24110000510 and in cause number 24110000509, where in exchange for a plea of guilty, he is willing to place you on 90 days deferred disposition with a fine of $110 and cost of $81 in the 509 case, and a fine of $265 and cost of $81 in the 510 case. In addition, he will recommend dismissal of the other three cases. Is that your understanding of the agreement?
Yes, sir. It is.
And are you asking the court to approve that agreement?
Yes, sir.
All right, Mr. Warden, as far as the amount that's owed, you'll have 90 days to pay that off, okay?
Okay. That'll work for me.
All right, Mr. Warden, you need to come by the Robstown Municipal Court no later than 5 o'clock today or at the latest 5 o'clock tomorrow. If you don't live in the area, you need to call the court and make arrangements.
Okay, I will swing by there tomorrow morning.
Okay, Mr. Warden.
What would be the best time? Does it matter?
Anytime after 9.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Appreciate you.
Yes, sir. All right, Epi, I think you have we have a couple of juveniles.
Just one
Crystal?
juvenile, Judge.
Okay, I'm gonna let you meet with them, Epi.
Okay.
See what you can work out, okay? We're
Yes,
gonna
sir.
go ahead and go get off the Zoom already.
Okay, thank you.